friends, welcome back to our channel. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம some source of carbohydrates தான் பார்க்க போறோம். அது எந்தெந்த பொருள்ல நமக்கு கிடைக்குதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம் வாங்க. வீடியோக்குள்ள போகலாம். Sweet potatoல இருக்குது. Next potatoல இருக்கு. Sugar cane, papaya, wheat, melon, mango, maize, bajra, rice. These items all included carbohydrate, rich in carbohydrate. Okay children, if you have taken this carbohydrate in your body, these are all called energy giving foods. Carbohydrates are called energy giving foods. So in our body needs carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals and roughage items. So first we have seen carbohydrates. Okay children, if you have any doubt in this, you can ask me in comments so I can clarify with you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.